A development in the case of former Decatur police officer Mac Bailey Marquette, who was charged with murder in the on-duty shooting death of Stephen Perkins outside of Perkins' home last September.
A Morgan County jury has issued a judge has issued a temporary gag order in the case. But what does that mean for public access, and why now?
News 19 investigative reporter Dallas Parker joins us now in the studio with some answers. Dallas.
That's right. And a local attorney tells me this is done to, quote, preserve the integrity of a case and cut down on pretrial publicity. And he says in a case that has garnered national attention, the defendant's right to a fair trial should not be overlooked. At the request of prosecutors, the judge in Mac Bailey Marquette's murder case has agreed to a temporary gag order. Now, that gag order bars parties in this case from making public statements on the case or releasing information to the public. Perkins' death led to an outcry in Decatur and months of protest before Marquette was indicted for murder in January. Huntsville area attorney Mark McDaniel, who is not connected to this case, says the gag order was likely put in place to avoid tainting a potential jury.
One of the first questions is, how many of you have read, seen, or heard anything about this case? And the number of hands are going to go up. In a case like this, the hands that didn't go up, they're probably going to be struck anyway, because they're probably not telling the truth. Okay, so the more publicity, more likely that you would have a change of venue.
Now, the gag order is currently temporary. A hearing will be held on April 8th on whether it should be made permanent. Marquette is one of 4 Decatur police officers disciplined after the Perkins shooting. Prosecutors said he is the only officer who fired his weapon that night. Now, Marquette's murder trial is currently set to take place on October 21st. McDaniel says the judge in a case like this has to consider 2 things: the public's right to information and about that case, and the rights of the accused. Again, there will be a formal hearing early next month to determine whether the gag order will remain. Jerry.